This video will show you how to replace the USB-C modules in your ThinkPad. The process in this video will work for the ThinkPad P14s Gen 7. You will need a screwdriver kit and 15 minutes of your time. Caution: to avoid damaging your device with electrostatic discharge, work on a hard flat surface. Use an anti-static wrist strap and mat, or discharge static by touching a grounded piece of metal. First, you must disable your built-in battery before removing any parts. Disconnect the power adapter from your computer. Press the power button. Tap the F1 key repeatedly to enter the setup menu. Select the config menu. Select the power menu option. Select the disable built-in battery menu option. Select yes in the confirmation box. The system will shut down and the battery is disabled. Loosen 8 captive screws on the bottom of the system. The captive screws do not come out of the base cover. Do not try to remove them. Starting near the hinges, lift the cover to release the clips and remove the cover from the system. Loosen 3 captive screws on the bracket and remove the bracket. Slide the USB-C module closest to the hinge inward, then tilt up the module and remove it from the socket. Use the same procedure to remove the second module from the system. Insert the first USB-C module into the socket labeled 1 on the system board, then press it down and slide it toward the edge of the system. Use the same procedure to install the second module into the socket labeled 2 on the system board. Lower the bracket into place over the modules. Tighten 3 captive screws to secure the bracket in place. Place the cover onto the chassis, inserting the edge opposite the hinges first, and press down around the edges to secure the clips. Tighten 8 captive screws. Plug in the power adapter and connect it to your computer to re-enable the built-in battery. You can find links to additional resources such as repair guides and the Lenovo parts store in the video description. For even more resources like user guides and manuals, visit the product page for your device at pcsupport.lenovo.com. For more information on your Lenovo devices, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube.